Hello guys, in today's short video, I'll be teaching you guys how I draw my eyebrows. If you have very bushy eyebrows, good for you. But the thing is, if you have bushy eyebrows and you still apply eyebrow powder and draw your brows, that's gonna be too much. You already have attention to your eyebrows without makeup on your brows just because they are bushy. When you have bushy brows, right, your hair literally just grows towards everywhere. You have to trim it or shave it. I would recommend trimming with a pair of scissors, like small ones. You can buy them from anywhere instead of shaving, because shaving can leave a kind of very rough feeling on your skin over time. So anyway, after trimming and everything, all you need is an eyebrow pencil. I understand some people like to use eyebrow powder also to apply, but that one really depends lah. For me, powder is kind of hard to make sure that the shape is there. So for eyebrow pencil, I like to use this kind of eyebrow pencil. If you have watched my makeup tutorial before, you would know. This type. Okay, so the first thing first is draw the tail of the eyebrow.
Always experiment what kind of style suits you the most. For me, it's slightly arched.
No need to extend too long lah, okay? But if you want to, you can. I used to extend it really long so that I can slowly fix it. I can just wipe it off with a cotton bud or my finger. Use this part of the eyebrow pencil to brush your eyebrow. Brush it outwards.
When you brush it, you have to brush it inside out so that the color will slowly fade out.
You notice, right, I never fill in the front part. The reason why is because if you fill it in and you blend it out wrongly, then
you'll look very bad.
Anyway, let me just show you guys if I fill in the front part how it should look like. Do it really softly. Like that. Okay, so like that's fine, but a lot of people like to use powder and they just dab, so it gives this kind of look. No, girl.
Okay, now to my left eyebrow, same thing. I just follow the shape of my brow bone and draw the tail. Don't worry guys, I've been there also. In the first place, it can be very difficult, but then after a lot of practices, you'll be a master like me. So yes, I really like drawing my left brow bone because my face is actually asymmetrical. My left brow bone is easier to draw than my right one, and just look at that tail, so flawless.
This one is without the head filled in. This one is with it filled in. So you guys let me know which one you like more. I like this one way more. I don't like it when it's too harsh on my face. Oops. But of course it depends on the kind of look you're going for. Ta-da! And then that's all for today's how to draw your eyebrows tutorial from Michelle. Super easy and simple, right? If you guys have any more questions, feel free to just drop them in the comment section below. I always try my best to help you guys because I love doing this kind of girly stuff. So see you guys in the next tutorial. Hopefully it will come out very soon. Let me know what other kind of videos you look forward from me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!